Okay, guys. So what we have today is, I'm sure I already said in some of the videos, we did the first part of this a week ago, and we're just doing the color now. We got our green grass has turned colors here. Ooh, motherfucker, what happened? Oh, yeah. So it's a little different color. So for you guys that don't have snow, this is snow, and it fucking sucks. So okay, let's get back to color. That door don't like the winter, does it? Okay, so we are doing a John Deere tractor body part. So we are getting tractor green. So we are pushing almost 800 subscribers, right? We already hit the 7. I think it's 8. I don't think it's 7. We're almost hitting 800 subscribers. Like I said earlier, giveaways from here, 800 subscribers going to be $80, 900 subscriber, $90. What we want to do on our 1,000 subscriber is, with 1,000 subscribers, I think we can go live. So we may do a quick little live thing to do a money giveaway, like take $100. We'll pick somebody who's on that live chat, $50 for the first one, 25 for the second one, 10, 10, and 5. So during the little conversation or whatever, we might do like little games or something to pick these people. So whoever's on the live chat will be the only ones that can win the money for the 1,000 subscriber giveaway. So that's if I can figure out how to do the freaking live chats. So, okay, so we got tractor green. Prismatic powders, that's the only one that was comparable to John Deere green. So, oh, I like that color. Kelly green. I wonder how it's going to compare to the Kelly green that we did. Because I like that green. To me, that's a John Deere green, the Kelly green that we had. One of you subscribers mentioned in my last video I should be wearing a mask. You're totally right. Really, there's no excuse for it. It's just, I start working, I don't pay attention. When I'm doing these videos, it's hard to speak with a mask on. But you're 100% totally right. PPE is the way to go. You should always wear PPE. Is this the original? This is the original. I think this is it. So, okay, we're going to be using cups today. We're going to do the green, and then we are going to do the a clear coat. And we're going to just hot block it because it's fucking cold as hell out here right now, and I don't want to dick around, wait until it cools and all that. I hate these fucking threads on this. I got this from Columbia Coating, and these threads, if you're not exactly on, you're going to cross thread it. And I'm sure some of you guys that have these know exactly what I'm talking about. It's a pain in the balls. And I'm sure I'm a little cross-threaded right now. It feels it to me, but we'll see. So we're just getting them ready. We're going to bust through this. And then we have snow shoveling to do. And more snow shoveling to do. See, that one's a lot easier. That one had to be cross-threaded. Okay. Okay, guys. We'll see you in a minute when it's ready to powder. I know we're going to have to do more green.
Yeah, it's not sticking very well.
We only got a couple pounds of this. Hopefully I got enough.
Why isn't it sticking? Should be sticking better since it's hot block.
Well, it's just warm. It's not hot like it should be. But yeah, it should be sticking better. Let's do 2, 1, 2. You right there. See how it's going on, kind of powdery, not really
Melting.
yeah. Cause it's just warm, it's not hot. So we just had to get it set up to where it's like putting normal powder on it. The warm is always good. Yeah, we're getting low on powder. I might have to throw it in a couple minutes just to warm the bitch back up. That looks good. I like this color. Yeah, you can see how it's going on as a powder, not a hot block. So since it's warm, we just had to adjust our microamps. Okay, let's just get, okay, that's good, baby. Okay, we have got it to flow out, so it's been flowed out. Everywhere it's flowed out, now we are doing clear. We're doing clear vision with, you have to aim at me for that.
I know that.
Clear vision. And we're gonna do it at, what was it? 375 for 18 minutes, I think it is. We're gonna thicken it up on these steps just a little bit because
For hobbyists.
it's a wear, yeah, it's a wear spot. And the front, I'm gonna give it a nice layer up front, but we're again thicken these steps up. And you got the angles. It's cooling down, that's why we're starting to see some white. And we're gonna do the back in a second. Honey, so you can go around to the back if you want. Meet me in the back. Okay. You can tell it's been clear, it's cooling down quite fast. Of course, it's cold as fuck out here. I'm going to thicken it up down here just because it is the bottom. If I can do a nice thick layer, I will. See how it's going on pretty thick up there? Okay. She's good. Of course, we have a little framing, so we're going to get rid of that. That's why you do the back first, to stop the framing. Okay, we are out, and that's good because we are thick. Perfect. Let's get this bitch back in. Give the guy a call, let him know that it should be done in about an hour. Okay, babe. Perfect. Okay. Oh, maybe I should use ouch.
You're using the wrong.
Fucker. Where's good gloves? I had the wrong gloves on.
Yeah, I noticed. Under mine right there on the right, honey. No, okay.
Okay, so
Looks good though.
why? I mean, it looks good. It's just
What's wrong with it? Can you get it out so I can shut the door?
to me, some looks. Oh yeah, we did it thicker in different spots. Okay, never mind. Because I see more of a sheen,
Yeah, I see it sparkle or shinier.
and then some places it's not. But the reason is because we thickened it up in spots that are gonna have more wear.
Yeah.
I mean, I could throw some more on, but I don't need it.
Oh, looks good.
Yeah, I think it turned out. Okay. You can tell where the rust was, how rough it is right where the foot is, but that is so much more protected now.